Half awake, half eaten breakfast, half the way travelled fast, busy in the business world, living a life which was quite disturbed. But the corona pandemic brought a huge swap in the lives of job goers. Shorts under shirts, everything became informal. Yes, work from home is the new normal. COVID-19 pandemic has brought a drastic change in the lives of employees. Many were fired, many lost hopes, and many startups couldn't survive through it. This pandemic threw the global economy into crisis. Emerging economies like India faced a colossal recession. But what next? What are the future job opportunities in the upcoming era that would take India's economy to the pinnacle? Let's see the views of our job visionaries. Whenever we sit down to think of future jobs, artificial intelligence is what strikes our mind first. So what is your insight on job opportunities that would be led by AI in the future?
I believe the future lies in automation. It's conspicuous that present day investment and development in artificial intelligence would forebring us a digital future where major aspect of life would be revolutionized. Artificial intelligence will usher in an era of smart economies where people residing in smart cities, transparent but highly surveillanced, can perform their tasks faster and better. Blue-collar jobs or incognitive jobs will become superfluous. However, artificial intelligence will become the lifeline of Indian economy. According to Economic Times, artificial intelligence will increase the domestic product of Indian economy by several fold. It won't be long that self-driving cars, image recognition system, and weather formulation and traffic control would be supervised through smart computers.
Well, digital marketing is a rapidly growing and evolving career path. So what is your vision in respect to this field?
To me, the upcoming future is of digital marketing. It is expected that by 2030, most of the people will digest this method and it will be practiced everywhere. Marketing is an evergreen field. There has been an advancement made through digitalization, and the future trend is of digital marketing. Taking this COVID-19 pandemic in view, where everything turned online, marketing will thus be conducted digitally. The upcoming job careers in digital marketing are digital analyst, digital media manager, e-commerce specialist, and a social media handler. This digital marketing has various economic and social benefits. According to some economists, by 2025, India would create a digital economy of $800 billion to $1 trillion, which is the value equivalent to 18 to 23% of the country's nominal GDP. And the most important social benefit of this digital marketing is that it will be providing ample opportunities of job creation in the upcoming future.
Decades of research have shown that the most valuable asset of any economy is its human capital. We have already discussed about the job opportunities engaged in technology field. But talking about the workforce unskilled in such field, the government would obviously not miss them out. They might be given the opportunity to serve for nation's defense and could be trained in farm activities. The vision of upcoming tech jobs, agriculture and national service won't leave any youth unemployed. Future will see developed India with full employment and